Welcome, in front of me is an HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So to get started, this is the screen that you will see first time you put the device up. So you start off by choosing the language. As you can see, there is plenty of them to choose from. Now I'm going to stick with English, so just going to tap on back. And once you have selected the language that you wish to use, tap on let's go. Then you have Wi-Fi connection. Now this is optional as long as the device isn't locked. So you can connect to one, and if you don't have one, you can tap on next and basically skip anyway. You have terms of use, which you'll have to agree to. So let's tap on agree. Date and time. Now this is completely redundant. The moment you put in a SIM card or connect to Wi-Fi, it will set it automatically, so you can completely skip that step if you wish to. You have Google services, and you can read each one of them if you want and disable them accordingly. So you have help, apps, find, location. So basically what it means is let apps stalk your location and basically gather data on you. So you can check that on or off. Some apps will literally require you and won't work without it, so you don't sometimes have a choice, and if you have an app that you want to use like that, you do have to enable it. Yeah, now we have additional ones. You can also tap on the drop down menu to extend it and read the nice basically booklet that it gives you about what this does. So then let's tap on I agree. Then you have the HTC account, which you can log into or completely skip. If you want, you can also use Google to sign into it, or Facebook, whichever one is easier for you. I'm just going to choose to skip this, and it gives you a message on what you won't be able to use. So you have download or update custom themes. I don't really care about that, and sync your Sense companion, also don't really care about that. I assume this is something along the lines of the Google Assistant, so don't use. And then you have protect your device. So here you will be able to add a fingerprint along with a PIN pattern or password, whichever one you choose. So you could tap on set up fingerprint, for instance, right here, and it will give you the option to either choose between one of those three: PIN, pattern, password. I'm gonna go with pattern. Secure startup. What this is asking is when the device is booting up, before it actually goes into lock screen, you will need to confirm, for instance, the pattern in my case, before it actually turns on. Without it, it won't turn on fully. Now personally, I hate this because after you put in the pattern, you have to put the pattern again on the lock screen. So in my opinion, it's completely pointless. So from here, draw the pattern that you wish to use, tap on continue, redraw the same pattern and confirm it. You have options for notifications, basically how they're being shown when the device is locked. So we have show all notification content, hide certain notification content, or don't show anything. So select which one you want. I'm just going to stick with the default one and tap on done. And now I can start scanning my finger on the home button right there. So let's tap on start, and I'm going to do it really quickly just to save on time, but you want to get a good read of your entire finger all around. There we go. That's it. It's added. Done. Personalize your phone, so you can change the name of it, or you can keep it this way. Basically, this name will be shown in Bluetooth devices and I think Wi-Fi, stuff like that. So you can change it to something else, although this one, in my opinion, is fairly good. So let's tap on finished, and we're done with the setup process. And now if you also want to unlock the device, you will need to confirm it with either the pattern that we have set, as you can see, or the fingerprint. Like that. Come on. Does it not? Oh, I need to unlock it for the first time, I think, right? So now it should, there we go, now it works. Okay, so that is basically how you would set up the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.